Hello guys, welcome back to new video. In this video I show you how to print both sides of paper in Brother network printer. Look at this, my Brother network printer. You can see this model number. Please watch whole video and you can find how to print both sides. Okay, this is my PDF file. I want to print both sides. I search both side option of this PDF, but I can't find how to print both sides. Look at this. Now we can change some settings and look at this. You can go to control panel, click Windows key and type control and select control panel, and you can see devices and printers, and you can select devices. You can select more devices and printer settings, and you can select your printer and printer properties and go to device settings, and you can see duplex unit select installed and click apply and OK. And you can see how to print both sides. Look at this, my PDF file, and I try to print both sides. Look at this. Okay, you can see print on both sides. You can select print on both sides, and you can select more settings and okay, you can see how to print both sides. If you like my YouTube video, you can subscribe.
If you haven't subscribed to the Ninja PC channel yet, subscribe now. You can watch many valuable videos like this.